Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're starting in a comfortable seated position. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head as you reach your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. Come back to center as you walk your hands forward, coming into a cross-legged forward fold, relaxing your upper body. Slowly rise back up. Let's straighten our right leg out to the side, flexing the right toes. Coming into our side body stretch, lifting our left arm up and over. Turn to face your leg, lowering your hands. Let's make our way to the other side, starting with that side body stretch. Turn to face your leg, lowering your hands. And we come back up, straightening both legs out to the side, coming into our straddle, walking both hands forward. Let's make our way back up as we come into a tabletop position on hands and knees. Cow pose, drop your belly low as you look up at the ceiling. Cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Let's open our knees wide, big toes touch as you sit your hips back for child's pose. Let's end by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.